Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to download autoclicker. First go in here, type autoclicker in here, then click the first thing that pops up, OP autoclicker, then press download if you're on Windows, then it will start downloading. I have already autoclicker, and here's what's going to happen. This will pop up, this thing. Here's the time it takes to make another click. I can just remove this one in 1 millisecond. And to start the autoclicker, you need to press F6 or this button, and boom, it works. That's all for my tutorial. Have a good day and bye.